From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. We are monitoring the tropics. Here's our next system, currently being called Potential Tropical Cyclone Four. This is the 11 a.m. advisory. Here's the forecast. It is forecast to get a little bit stronger, become a tropical storm. At that point, it would be called Debby, and then turn more towards the northeast, kind of hugging the southeastern coast. It looks like possibly early next week. Here are the spaghetti models along with the forecast cone. Early Monday morning, and then as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday, consensus keeps us away from South Carolina, but it will be adding moisture to the area. So we probably will be getting some more rain, it looks like, regardless of development. So here we are Saturday, pretty quiet conditions in the morning, but then we'll have afternoon showers and storms on Saturday. Kind of see the moisture towards our south in parts of Florida, parts of Georgia. That moisture does increase as that system continues to move generally towards the north and then towards the north and east. You see that rotation there, that would be Tropical Storm Debby at that point. There's all that rain moving into parts of the low country of South Carolina and parts of Georgia. As far as tropical storm force winds are concerned for us here across the Midlands, very, very low chances at this point. You see the chances there, you're talking about at the most a 4% chance down in Orangeburg. So low chances for tropical storm force winds for us here across the Midlands at this point. Tropical storm warning in effect for parts of Florida. Also tropical storm watches in effect for parts of Florida. But for us here at home, still a lot of uncertainty. Strength, speed, and track could change what we see, with the time frame being basically Monday, Tuesday, possibly into Wednesday if this thing kind of slows down. The moisture is going to increase regardless, so our rain chances will be kind of high, and they'll kind of continue to be high over the next few days, even as we go into next week. We're heading into the really busy part of hurricane season. We've had 3 named storms so far, and if or when Potential Tropical Cyclone Four does get a name, it'll be called Debby. Back here at home, we do have a heat advisory in effect until 8 o'clock this evening, so we do expect heat index values of at least 108 for at least 2 hours or more. So 8 o'clock tonight, the heat advisory does continue. Dangerous heat, so this is what you need to know. You need to protect yourself and others from those hot conditions. So stay hydrated, take breaks, limit your outdoor time, and check on others who may not be able to take care of themselves. Also, never leave pets or kids in hot cars. Heat advisory does continue for most of South Carolina and all of the Midlands. Yesterday made up to 97 degrees. Officially no rain at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport. Our record high for today is 100. We'll be pretty close to that. Do expect some hot weather with high temperatures in the upper 90s, but you mix in the humidity, it's going to feel even hotter. We'll increase our rain chances for tomorrow. Only a small chance for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm today, but as we get into the afternoon and evening hours of tomorrow, those rain chances are going to ramp on up. Heavy downpours and the potential for maybe even some stronger storms that could lead to some damaging wind gusts. That's going to be the case for today and tomorrow. Don't think we'll have any severe weather on Sunday. Excessive rainfall could be an issue today if we were to get an isolated shower or storm. Heavier rainfall is expected on Saturday, possibly into Sunday and Monday along the coastal region of South Carolina. European forecast model showing the rain Saturday, Sunday, possibly Monday, Tuesday, maybe even into Wednesday. The American model shows that system, Potential Tropical Cyclone Four, moving out a lot faster. Here are those rainfall amounts being predicted by the Weather Prediction Center. Biggest thing you'll notice along the coastal region of South Carolina, a lot of rain expected over the next several days. Probably not the best lake forecast. Showers and storms are expected both Saturday and Sunday with those highs in the low to mid 90s. Today we're looking for a high, we'll say upper 90s or so. Small chance for that pop-up shower or storm. As we mentioned, Monday, Tuesday, possibly into Wednesday, highly dependent on the track strength and really where Debby goes at that point. Probably will be called Debby. Beach forecast, probably not the best beach forecast either, with those showers and storms on Saturday, Sunday. Moderate risk for rip currents along most of the coast with the exception of the Grand Strand, where a low risk at this point. I will say those showers and storms pretty likely Sunday, Monday, maybe even to Tuesday along the coastal region. That will include Myrtle Beach. That does include Charleston as well. Again, we'll be tracking what will probably be Tropical Storm Debby at that point. Greenville, not as bad, not as much rain, obviously being in the upstate of South Carolina. 8 to 14 days out, looks like it should be a little hotter than normal. That'd be August 9th through August 15th. slightly wetter than normal during that same time frame. The good news, a lot of bad news, but here's some good news. College football is only 29 days away. Fall equinox is 51 days away. And if you want to follow me on these social media outlets, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and X.